Sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some cleaning in my kitchen. I'm not deep cleaning, but I'm going to be cleaning some things that I would normally clean on a daily or weekly basis. I have been living my best life this week, y'all, and I haven't done anything around my house, and it felt so good to just relax and do absolutely nothing. But it's time for me to get my life together and get this house back in order. So let's go ahead and get started. So I like to wash my kitchen rugs at least once a week. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting them in the washer, and then I'll head back into the kitchen and get started on the dishes. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to leave a comment down below to say hi and introduce yourself. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I say what we had. Would you come on over? Don't you miss me too?
And now that I've gotten the dishes washed and put away, I'm going to put the rugs in the dryer, and then I'll head back into the kitchen and clean the countertops and the kitchen table.
Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
Y'all, I don't know what my kids are doing when they're eating, but I know what they're not doing. They're not cleaning this table off when they get finished eating. Shaking my head.
I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard.
So before we go any further, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Kitchen Mama. They reached out to me to try their automatic can opener, and I was so happy to do so.
But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me.
It takes 4 AA batteries, and once you've added the batteries, it's ready to go. You simply place it on top of the can and press the red button, and it does all the work for you.
Be so calm around me when I act desperately. You used to be the
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will have the link in the description box along with the discount code Tifani10.
talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we
And there you have it, your can is open. Now how easy is that? So before I get back to cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and make this 3-bean salad that my husband and I like to eat, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard.
So I've already added my corn and beans to the bowl, and now I'm just going to add cilantro, red onions, and tomatoes.
What power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze.
And now I'm just adding Badia Jamaican style jerk seasoning.
But now it's so hard to breathe.
I will have all the ingredients in the description box just in case you want to try it.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul.
Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get back into this cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and get my sink cleaned, and once I'm done with that, I will move on to sweeping and mopping the floors.
Every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh, baby. Don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
So I just got a new sponge holder for my sink because my old one kept falling, and I got this one from Home Goods for $5.99.
The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. This town is quiet when it's late here. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now.
Okay, y'all, we have come to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss an upload. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.